Hey everyone, welcome to our channel for a new skillpill in Talend Studio. My name is Veronica, I'm a data engineer at BT Provider and we're going to dive into an exciting topic about database landing. Today we will learn how to use Talend components to land data from vertical database using two schemas, source and target, and also learn how to mapping data. Let's start with Talend Studio. On the left side of the Talend, we can see the job that has already been created, database landing, and the connection has already been set in repository metadata for source and target. Also, the connection components of the vertical has already been added at the top of the designer area. Now for that topic, let's see what are the main components we need. We need tDBInput for customer US and for the state US to read data from source table. And also we need tDBOutput to insert the data into our target table that right now it's empty customer states, and the tMap to mapping our data. Now let's talk about our data sets. Customer US include information about clients of an online shopping website, like name and address, and state ID is a foreign key for that table. State US has extra information about US states, like state name, state code, and state ID is a primary key for that table. In the table destination, that is empty and will be populated after running the ETL. Now we want to configure our component, customer US. Select the component basic settings, after that database vertical. Check use an existing connection. From customer list we'll choose source schema and select schema repository to choose our table customer US, and also we'll press the guess query to have our query. In the same way, we will work with states US to configure that component, and the table name will be states US. We need also a tMap component and the tDBOutput that it used to insert data into our destination table. Set the component list, choose connection to target schema. Also set the schema repository and choose the table customer states. And now we want to make the links between the components. We'll make that together. I have here ETL for demo, and we can start. Right click the input component customer US and press row main, and we have a row for that, and also for states US row main. Be careful with the link between state US and tMap. Notice that the row it's a lookup, not a main. That is because you can provide multiple input source for a tMap component, but only one can be the main row, the rest are lookups. And now we need only one link, and we need to put a name for that link between the tMap and customer states. We want to configure our component tMap, and we'll double click on that component and we'll see what we can do. The mapping editor is open, and we can notice that on the left we have the tables customer US and states US, and on the right we have target table customer states. For mapping these tables, we just need to press the button Auto Map, and all the columns from the left will go to the right for our destination table. We want also to configure the inner join for the key state ID. How we will do that? Well, we'll drag the state ID from the customer US table and drop it in the state ID from the state US table, like that. And in the join model, we will configure join model. We have by default left outer join, but we want to we want to choose another one, inner join, because we want just the common rows between two tables. And I choose inner join. After completed these settings, we can say that the mapping is complete, and we can click apply and OK. After that, we can run the job and see the results together. The running will need to stay some seconds until we finished, and we'll see here right down in the screen exit code is 0, and that is OK. 81 rows will go to the customer states. We can see also the customer states into vertical database. We'll try to interrogate our table customer states, and how you can see we have information from both of them: name of the client, address, and also state code, state name, and only 81 rows, 81 common rows between the two tables. The result is necessary for our reporting processes. That is all. Thanks you a lot, and I hope that skill pill will help you. Have a wonderful day.